I'm sitting at red lights. I haven't recorded anything yet and I'm almost home already. Whoops. Well, that's because I wanted to show you something today. Go, you fuck. The light's been green for like 10 seconds. I have to pay attention to my driving. I can't talk to you people. No, seriously. Today I showed you a little bit of what paving asphalt is like. Today we are paving the surface of the roadway. And this guy thinks that I am the one holding up the show, this guy to the right of me. He's been like following me right on my ass when like it was all the people in front of me that were slowing down. So now I'm passing the hell out of him because he's busy. I don't know why some people are in such a hurry, or they think that driving aggressively is going to get you home any faster. It's not. He's like swerving, he's like changing lanes back and forth, and now I'm way ahead of his bitch ass. So I don't have anything to worry about, and he's getting what he deserves by being an ignorant idiot. So anyways, what happens is you have a big dump truck, and it's filled with asphalt. It's filled with asphalt. It's nothing more, it looks like nothing more than a bunch of bluish, blackish little pebbles. That's all it looks like. And then it lays it down, and there's this machine that will actually clamp itself to the back of the truck, and you will see this right now. Okay, and then after that it dumps the stuff and it kind of puts it on the pavement, and it starts to look a little bit like a road, except for the fact that the asphalt is very loose. So then that's why not one, not two, but 3 steamrollers, even though they have nothing to do with steam anymore, rollers, they just call them rollers. Literally, if you go out to a construction site, ask them what they are, they will tell you they are rollers. There is no steam element, they're just rollers. And they look like this. Okay, what I was doing is I was going behind the finish roller, which is the third one, which finishes, obviously. It's the last one. And I was putting out these numbers, and these little metal numbers, because, see, when people work on the roads, they like to know where they are. And so there are these things called stations, which is nothing more than a number for how far you are along the road. These numbers are based on feet, like 4 plus 00 is 400 feet from 0 plus 00. And then like 7 plus 37 is 737 feet. Whatever. Well, I was going every 250 feet, and which is why you will see this clip where I put in the numbers for 17 plus 50. Take these numbers and put them on the road, and she runs them over. I have to peel them out. Now there's a stamp. So that's what I was doing. It was not a very exciting job, but it was still pretty tiring because carrying those numbers, like I had to carry a bucket full of those numbers. That thing was fucking heavy. Like, you would be surprised. Those metal numbers are heavy as hell. And they had to be soaking in diesel fuel, so I had to have my hands in diesel fuel, which I'm pretty sure is not good for your skin, because it started to burn after a while. And I mean, it's not like their fault. I mean, like, that's just what you do. It's not like, you know, they're hurting me or anything. It's just how you do it, you know? You have to be able to go under a little bit of physical strain in order to work outside building shit and stuff. So don't worry about it. I'm fine. My hands are clean. They're so clean. The rest of me is not, though, so I'm gonna go take a shower when I get home. Just like I always do. I haven't talked about the topic of the day. Today's topic of the day starts with the letter... What is it today? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, today's topic of the day starts with the letter I. Okay, today's topic is I. Starts with the letter I, it's inches. Inches are probably the greatest sign that America is so full of themselves. Because we are the only country that uses feet and inches. You know, everybody else uses the metric system. The metric system, everybody else uses it because it's easy to use and it actually makes sense. And there are actual common everyday like natural derivatives for why we use these units. Did you know that 1 cubic centimeter is a milliliter? A milliliter is a cubic centimeter, and a gram is the mass of 1 milliliter of water. So they're all related. I have no idea how feet and inches and pounds relate, and gallons and all that crap. I have no idea how any of that relates. It doesn't make any sense to me. And instead of converting to other people's measurements, we say no. You can suck our dick, which is probably Texas. Have you looked at a US map? Texas is America's dick. I'm home, so I'm gonna go inside. I love you.